Hi guys, welcome back. We are working today on a 2001 Nissan Micra, although this is the same, pretty much the same job for any exhaust that has a broken part. So what's happened here is it's just rusted through, and the mid section here has parted company with the pipe that leads to the back box. So all I need to do here, because this is a nice straight run through, is I'm going to cut it off here, and then stick it back together. Now, this is one of those jobs that really couldn't be easier. So this is an exhaust joiner, so you need to know the diameter of the pipe that you're joining. Just two nuts that tighten that together, and you can see inside there's a section there that compresses, kind of like a Jubilee clip basically. Need some exhaust system repair paste. You'll need some rubber gloves for that because that can cause allergic reactions, and some kind of cutter. I'm going to use an angle grinder, but you could just as easily use a hacksaw. So anyway, let's get underneath, cut the back box off, and get on with patching it back together. Now, rather than cutting this here, which is very, very close to the petrol tank, so I don't really want to be throwing a load of sparks around, and also quite difficult to get at because of this rear cross brace, I am actually going to remove the back box, and in order to do that I just have to push these rubber bungs off the spigots that hold them. In this case there are three supporting the back box. Now, I'm going to need both hands for that, so I'll be back in a sec. There you go, that's all we're dealing with. And with those all removed, you can then just bring the back box out here. Now you can see what's happened to this. Just rust, and simple. So we'll have it off here. Same on the other end. I'll just clean that one up in situ, and then the clamp over both with a bit of paste. Okay, as I mentioned, we need some gloves on for this bit. It's messy stuff, this, but I want to put a good smear of this around the end of the pipe. And I want to put a load of this on the inside of the sleeve as well. You don't do this just with your hands, because this can cause some fairly unpleasant allergic reactions. Okay. There she goes. And then we just tighten that up. Just make sure you're not more than halfway down. That's about right. I'm just going to blob a bit more of this on whilst I've got it accessible. Lovely. Alright, gloves off. Now I'm going to have to move fairly quickly, because I'm going to need to adjust this under the car once I've slung the exhaust back onto its restraining spigots. You see how that's squeezing the gun gum out. Just clean up that excess as best I can. Fresh pair of gloves for the next one. And exactly the same procedure on the other end of the pipe. Well, there we go, guys. Running off the charm. No rattling, no blowing. Job's a good one. That cost £5. The alternative is to replace this whole mid-section of exhaust that goes all the way up and including that baffle up there, and the back box. And these things are surprisingly expensive, so a £5 permanent repair, I think we're going to call that a win. So thanks very much for watching, guys. Take it easy. I'll see you next time. Cheers.